Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before the market opens. We'll be covering exciting stock market news, the morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So if you aren't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with our daily videos. Don't forget to check out the description down below for links to the TipRanks mobile app so you can stay up to date with all the latest analyst ratings and market news on the go. All right, now let's get into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red so far this morning, with the Dow futures down about 0.4% and both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures down 0.36%. Semiconductor company Advanced Micro Devices has announced a new share repurchase program that will be worth up to $4 billion. Advanced Micro intends to fund the buyback through cash generated from operations. Under the program, the company will buy back shares in the open market, and the repurchase program has no termination date. Their CEO said that today's announcement reflects our confidence in AMD's business and the successful execution of our multi-year growth strategy. Their stock does come in as a moderate buy with a price target of $106, which would be a 39% upside potential. Ratheon Technologies is partnering with global foundries to enhance future wireless networks. The two are joining forces to develop and commercialize a new gallium nitride on silicon semiconductors to enhance frequency performance on 5G and 6G. Ratheon is a defense and aerospace company that provides advanced systems and services for commercial, military, and government customers worldwide, whereas Global Foundries is a worldwide semiconductor manufacturer. The partnership seeks to enable high-performance and affordable communication technologies. Plans are underway to develop the new semiconductor in Burlington, Vermont. The Ratheon Technology stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside just over 11%. JetBlue will be announcing lower airfares for the transatlantic market. Starting in August, JetBlue will offer non-stop flights between New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport and London's Heathrow Airport. In September, the airline will add a non-stop service between JFK and London Gatwick Airport as well. Additionally, flight services from Boston to London will begin in the summer of 2022. Now, sales of seats at low fares for U.S. travelers have already begun, with seats for Heathrow and Gatwick routes starting at $5.99 per round trip. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential just shy of 16%. Pentair will be expanding their national footprint with the acquisition of Ken's Beverage. The deal will be worth about $80 million. Ken's Beverage provides beverage equipment and services to commercial customers through a network of 30 branches. This acquisition will help Pentair, who is a water treatment and sustainable solutions provider, to expand its national commercial service network. The Pentair stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of just 5.6%. And global insurance brokerage Arthur J. Gallagher has acquired Garner & Glover. Established in 1874, Garner & Glover is an independent insurance agency that provides a wide range of businesses and personal, property, casualty, life, and benefit products. It also offers athletics, wellness, and risk management services. Post-acquisition, it will continue to function with current management under the guidance of Gallagher's Peter Doyle and John Turnay. The Arthur J. Gallagher stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 6.7%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far, which is Virgin Galactic Holdings. Trading under the ticker SPCE, they're currently up nearly 15%. Followed by VistaGen Therapeutics under VTGN, currently up over 14%. And Allogene Therapeutics under ALLO, currently up nearly 13%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Black Diamond Therapeutics. They trade under the ticker BDTX, and they're currently down just over 20%. We also have Moses under MOSY, down 8.7%, but this was following a gain of 44% yesterday. And GDS Holdings under the ticker GDS, down 6.6%. Now moving over to some notable earnings reports. Starting off with Cisco, whose third quarter earnings came in ahead of analyst expectations. However, their fourth quarter outlook came in a bit low. Cisco reported adjusted Q3 earnings of 83 cents per share against the analyst expectations of 82 cents and was up 5% year over year. Their revenues surged 7% year over year to $12.8 billion and outpaced the consensus estimates of $12.56 billion. Looking forward to the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021, their revenue is expected to reflect 6 to 8% year-over-year growth. Their adjusted earnings per share forecast is in the range of 81 cents to 83 cents, whereas analysts were expecting 85 cents. Their stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of over 7.5%. A couple analysts reiterated hold ratings today. Keysight Technologies beat both their revenue and earnings estimates in their second quarter earnings report. The company's reported net sales of $1.22 billion surpassed Street's estimates of $1.21 billion and jumped 36% from the year-ago period. Revenues in their Communication Solutions Group were up 34% year-over-year, while their Electronic Industrial Solutions increased 42%. Earnings soared 84.6% to $1.44 per share, beating the consensus estimates of $1.34 per share. The Keysight Technologies just has one current analyst ratings, as the rest are now a few months old, but it does come in as a buy with an average upside of 28%. And lastly, we have Shoe Carnival, who came in ahead of analyst expectations in this recent earnings report. However, their revenue outlook for their future quarter came in a bit low. Shoe Carnival's Q1 earnings of $3.02 per share handedly beat Street's estimates of $1.40 per share. The company recorded a loss of $1.16 per share in the same quarter last year. Their net sales more than doubled on a year-over-year basis to $328.5 million, outpacing analyst expectations of $274 million. Looking forward to the second quarter, the company expects earnings per share in the range of $1 to $1.20, ahead of consensus estimates of 94 cents. However, their revenue is anticipated to land between $268 to $278 million, which was lower than analyst expectations of $281.9. The Shoe Carnival stock does just have two analyst ratings, one of them from 3 months ago that we've already surpassed the price target on, so is now showing as a potential downside, but the most recent came in today with a price target of $81 for a 29% upside potential. Also this morning, we're expecting earnings reports from Kohl's, BJ's Wholesale Club, and Canadian Solar. So that is everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. You know I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to check back at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Richard Allen's midday market update as well to find out what else has been happening throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you back here next time.